Hey family, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we are going to do some bling Crocs. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get into it. So I had already started the Crocs, but I was like in the middle of doing it. I was like, you know what? Let me show my YouTube family me doing these Crocs because this will be for my customer wedding. And she wanted a hint of purple in there because that's part of her wedding colors. So I picked up these bling brooch pieces because you know it's her wedding day and we gotta come on with the come on period. So I did extra bling with this set, and I got the purple rhinestones from the craft store as well. But on the website, I will be having new rhinestones available for you guys to shop as well. As you will see, I just kept going back and forth playing with this because I did not care for how the silicone purple was looking. I felt like it was looking kitty, and honestly I don't like metal and silicone put together. Like, it don't flow. Like, I either would do all silicone or all metal gibbets. So I just took all the shit down and just started all the way over because I just wasn't feeling it. And the glue today, the glue I'm using today is Gorilla Glue, by the way. And the pieces, I literally just glued them on because, you know, I didn't want to add no gibbet to it. So I just glued it on. I also want to just apologize in advance how messy and unorganized my desk is today. Like, honey child, you would think a tornado went through this damn room. Like, this day been so busy. Like, I literally done like 10 pairs of Crocs this day. So my desk was just like a hot mess, and I just lay all the damn stones on the desk. Yeah, so I'm sorry in advance, y'all, how messy my desk looked. But it was just one of them days. I was just like, fuck it. I'm just gonna lay these stones on this desk and just pick the ones that's already flipped over. But as you guys can see, I use a wax pen, but this a little raggedy on wax pen I had to pick up because my 2-year-old bit off my other wax pen, but that's another story for another day. But yeah. So now we are going to do the other shoe, and when I do the second shoe, I usually try to like let it flow very similar. So it really depends on my mood. Sometimes I make them completely different, but for the most part I try to make them look very similar. So that's basically what I'm doing here, and I'm showing you guys in detail how I put the gibbets on. And comment and let me know what you guys think of this look and how you think I did. Did you like how they turned out? I personally didn't care for the purple rhinestones, but that was the best that I can find. That was purple. But you guys let me know what you think about the Crocs. Okay, so far so good. We just have to add a few more pieces and bam, look at here. Look at these bling Crocs. My client is going to be looking so cute and comfy on her wedding day. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.